So this is our hotwire foam factory tool cart. It's just a rolly cart that holds the cutting table that we can use to roll around. And I built this cabinet on top that holds bows, a couple of bow drawers, and then it's got plies, knives, industrial hot knife drawers, sleds, more hot wire tools, and some power supplies. There's a little bit of room around the side to keep some cabinets and extra supplies and underneath, and then the bow itself. Yeah, so we can wheel it around where we need it and cut foam and use the foam tools. Came out pretty good. I like it.